Hey everyone, the Groundwater guy here. Everyone knows that Johnson Screens produces some of the best well screens in the business, but did you know that they also produce a full range of well rehabilitation chemicals? We talked with John Semanchich of Johnson Screens at the 2019 South Atlantic Jubilee Water Show, and he gave us a rundown of their well rehabilitation products. Hey everyone, the Groundwater guy here. I'm here at the 2019 South Atlantic Jubilee Water Show in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Okay, we're here today with John Semanchich with Johnson Screens.
And Johnson Screens does stainless steel screen and PVC slotted screens and PVC V-wire.
Okay, tell us a little bit about your well rehab products, because that's mainly what I'm working on, and you know, I know you got a range of products out there, so maybe you can run through them real quick.
New Well 120 is for mineral deposits such as iron and sulfates. Our mineral New Well 220 is mud and clay dispersant. New Well 310 is bioacid for biofilm. Our New Well 320 is for bacteria.
What about I know you got an app out there in the App Store that
we do have a chemical app. If you get you would have to have a water test done, and then you could enter the information on the app, and it would tell you which New Well products you need and the dosages for your problem.
Okay. So if we're looking at something like mineral incrustations on a well, what type of combination of products? And it's usually going to be a combination.
It would be probably a combination of 120 and 320 for iron and calcium.
Okay. Now how about if we're doing with biomass in the well, biofouling in the well? What are we going to use?
That's probably a 320 for biofilm, or 310.
And you can combine that with the acid as well?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Really good. So, anything else you want to tell us about your product line?
Well, we are getting into glass beads for gravel pack, which we have a little shade right here.
Okay.
This is what it looks like. So it's a glass bead pack in place of sand. It's a new product line for this year.
Well, thanks so much, John. I appreciate your time, and we love your products, so we're looking forward to working with you more in the future.